Oh,
No, he
can't
can't reach down there.
Put it on his tongue.
I'm too scared.
Yeah.
I can watch it.
Don't be scared, honey. I'll take it right from you.
You are swallowing. Your tongue is so long. About two.
Here, I'm crunching it. Do you want to give him one again?
No, I'm giving two.
Okay.
Give him two carrots. Was that two carrots?
Can I do one?
Yeah.
Two carrots.
You're so tall, Mr. Girl.
I'm do doubles.
Doubles? Okay. Another one?
Do doubles.
I touched my finger.
Do doubles.
Did you feel his tongue?
No.
Do doubles now.
Okay. Okay, are there more carrots? We had a couple of, oh, we have a lot of shavings.
Right here, Katie. I'll do this one. Over there. Do this one.
Okay.
Over there.
Okay.
That's one. Oh, grass.
That's all I got, buddy. I think they have a lot for you.